In this 3-minute video, we will show how to use the Czech Fluid LT Series high-flow sampling valve to draw a representative oil sample that can be accurately analyzed time over time. The LT is permanently mounted to draw the most active oil while the equipment is running. It is important that the equipment has been operating and the oil circulating for at least 30 minutes prior to sampling. Ensure that all supplies are on hand. Nitrile gloves and safety glasses protect against accidental contact with hot or pressurized oil. Cut a length of tubing as long as necessary to reach the sampling bottle. Reseal the tubing bag to prevent any contamination. Insert one end of the tube approximately 1/2 inch below the pump. Over-tightening will restrict the flow. Insert the other end of the tube into the probe. Next, uncap and attach the probe to the valve. Draw a purge sample to clear the static oil in the LT tube. The amount of purge oil is usually less than 2 ounces or 60 milliliters for an LT 24-inch. Thread the probe fully on the valve, pull the vacuum plunger several times to start the flow, and avoid over-plunging, which may collapse the bottle. When 2 ounces of oil has been collected, unthread the probe approximately 2 turns to stop the flow. This will keep the connection sealed. Remove the purge bottle and thread on the sample bottle. To draw the lab sample, retighten the probe 2 turns on the valve. Pull this vacuum plunger several times to restart the flow. After the required sample is drawn, unthread the probe 3 or 4 turns, which will stop the flow and help evacuate the line. Do not fully remove the probe. Cap the lab sample bottle, label it, and send it off for analysis as soon as possible. To keep your pump clean, invert the pump and pull the tubing from the bottom. Hold the open tube upright and cap the end to prevent any spillage. Remove the tubing from the probe adapter end, cap it, and dispose. Remove the probe and wipe clean the valve and recap. And next wipe clean the probe adapter and the pump and store in a clean environment. Recycle plastic tube, bottle, and purge oil and replace fluids that are removed if necessary. The sampling is now complete. For questions concerning your applications, call Czech Fluid and visit us on the web at czechfluid.com.